She's so dead. Wow, nice.
Caribbean, half Asian, I'm quarter Caribbean, quarter Asian.
Wow.
Where in the Caribbean are you from?
Mom's from Ghana.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Jada. So today I wanted to transform this crusty, dusty, old blue wig that I have and basically just revamp the color. Nothing special. Please excuse my voice. I swear I don't have the Rona. I just sound like crap because of my allergies. And I just wanted to transform this wig and just revamp the color with you guys into this beautiful, beautiful revamp blue, nice blueberry color. So just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is part the hair into 4 quadrants. They don't have to be equal quadrants. I literally just like parted out the frontal part somewhat down the middle, and we sectioned off the frontal. So then I just grabbed some gloves, threw those on, and I got the color that I used on the actual wig before to revamp the roots. And I just mainly used the more darker color that I used. I forgot the name of it, so I'm so sorry. So I just basically put the color down, like I would say 1 inch from the root. Trying to be careful. I'm using like a feather applicator just to make sure that I don't get the lace. So now all the color is basically laid down on the frontal part, and it's basically like 1 inch, like I said before, away from the root. Just nice and clean. That's why I use the feather applicator, just so that it wouldn't stain the lace really. And we're just gonna let that process for about 40 minutes because that's all it really does take to process color. And this, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like in the light. So we're just going to go ahead and shampoo and condition it and rinse out the color. The main choice is a really good choice for washing out wigs. It's very moisturizing. I did choose the hydration conditioner and shampoo. When you're rinsing out color, I was just basically looking for it to run clear, and I knew all the color is basically out and is ready to go. So for the application of the wig, I did not feel like using glue. I just wanted to do hairspray because I only wanted to wear this for like a couple days. So I just got 2 clips, basically to, get the hair out of the lace and out of my face. And I use 91% alcohol just to clean my forehead, just so that the wig has a clean surface to stick to. And I'm going to be using Bedhead Hardhead hairspray to apply the wig for using hairspray basically today. I love this stuff. Larissa Andrea turned me on to it. She's a YouTuber on here. I love her so much. This stuff is really, really great. It's very easy to use. It's $19.99, kind of on the pricey side, but it's worth it in my opinion. I just use it basically the same way I would use Got to Be Glued spray. Just spray it on your head, 2 layers of it, and then blow dry it just so that it has a nice tacky surface. And then when I feel like it's tacky enough, then I'm going to bring the wig on top of that so it sticks. And I love this stuff because it really doesn't leave a white cast like the Got to Be Glued sprayed would. Now, mind you, for this application, I don't know what happened, but I did kind of get like a white cast with filming this. Like in person, it didn't look like that to me. I even asked my friends and they said they didn't see it. So I'm pretty sure it was the camera, but I'm not sure what happened, but you guys gonna see like a little bit of a white cast when I'm done, and that's my oopsie daisy. But in person, it came out really, really good. I love this stuff so much. Like, I really, really do. So now that I have it kind of stuck to my head with that first layer, now I'm going to go in with another layer on top of the lace, and just to reinforce the bottom layer, and just to make sure that I don't get any hair caught, I'm just going to push with a comb and trying to like flick some of the hairs out the way. So it's like I'm trying to push and comb so that the hairs don't get stuck into the lace, so that they actually still move and do what they got to do. At this point, I'm done like applying the wig, but the ear tab was bothering the crap out of me, so I had to cut it off. Like, it was torturing my ear and my soul, so it had to go. Sis had to go. And it looked so much better, and it felt so much better once I did that. Ugh, it was perfect. Perfect! So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm basically done now applying the wig. I hope you guys really did enjoy this. Maybe you learned something new. I'm not really sure. I wasn't really saying any new information, but I hope you maybe learned something if you didn't know anything before this video. If you guys want to see how I did the makeup look that's about to come up, I will have a tab somewhere for you guys to click on to watch it. This is one of my favorite looks that I put together during this little quarantine time. It's such a bronzy, beautiful look. But yeah, that's what the wig looks like at the end. I just threw some curls in there, and that was basically it, you know? Nothing special, but she came out so beautiful. I love her so much. But yeah, if you guys see that white cast, I'm so sorry, but it wasn't there in person, but it still looks good. She still looks hot. She still looks good. She still looks good. But yeah, if you guys want to see how this makeup look came together, just go ahead and watch the last video. And enjoy your quarantine season, guys. Love you very much. And see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.